Greetings RC fans. Yes, I'm calling you RC fans because it's Friday, which means it's an RC video time. Well, this is not an RC video today. This is going to be a video that I shot at the late break show on tour number 2, and it's going to be a bit of a walk round. So we're out in the car park at the moment. As you can see, there's a lot of cars, there's a lot of exhibitors. I'm going to go into the main part of the minute. Johnny's on stage. TomleyRC is over there, and we're right close to the stage, so it gives me a chance to take a break and have a walk round, see some of the older cars. MG Metro. Everybody knows I love the minis, and obviously we've got the Mini Mayhem running at the moment on the Mondays at Vulcan Raceway. The Allegro, Citroens. They're moving into the Triumphs. Triumph TR7 and a Triumph Stag. My dad did one of these up, a blue one. Vauxhall Cavalier, Mark 1 Cavalier, Jaguar. Don't know what that is. Something different, Japanese. 1978 Datsun 120A. Wow. It's interesting and different. Alfa Romeo. On to more modern stuff. Don't know what that is. That's why we're looking around the back. No badges. Interesting. Holstar. Alfa Romeo. Beetle. Everybody knows I love my Lotuses. Oh, looks like there's a second GR Yaris over there. So yeah, this is going to be a bit of a walk round. Something different for the channel, but since I'm here, we know how much I like the Lotuses. Aston Martin? No, that's the Jaguar, Jaguar. Yep. GR Yaris. Another GR Yaris. I wonder how many there are here today. Oh, it's a BMW. Right, let's go and get a coffee one thing. See you in a third. Opel Manta. Datsun 350. This is like one of the 70 that got crushed the other day by Heavy D, because they had all been parted out and everybody went absolutely mad about it. MGB GT in one of my favourite colours, in the British Racing Green. Don't know whether that's the V8 version, but it's got all the fittings. Looks like somebody's perhaps got married. Old Merc. Oh, another Lotus stuck at the back here. Mazda MX-5 Miata, as you call them in other parts of the world. We call them MX-5s here. And that green looks so good on that Lotus. Right, we're going to go into the main part of the show now, and see what we got over there. Matthew, one of my friends at the BERCC, would have hated me if I didn't put some of the discos and the landies in. So here you go, Matthew. That's not a landy. Old Range Rover, 5-door as opposed to 3-door. Got some newer stuff over there. So walking into the main part of the show now. I'm still on the stage over the back there, so I'll have a walk round just to while it's quiet and there's no music in the background, because obviously I don't want to get a copyright strike from YouTube by having music in the background. Lancia Stratos, new Toyota Supra, so Citroen Diane. Let's have a wander around. I know this is not particularly my normal style. Kestrel beer, Flying Kestrel, an original 1935 Riley Kestrel 9. Gorgeous. Bedford Dormobile, one of the original camper vans. Some Audis out the back here. So that looks to me a bit like an aerial Atom. But let's have a look. Oh no, it's a kit. Some very different stuff around here. Some Mustangs at the front there. A Williams Renault Clio with gold wheels. Peugeot 309 GTI, yeah. Gorgeous Lotus. Aston Martin Vantage. Another one of the Lancias. Volvo 240, but that looks like that's been done up as a full track car, because you can see the roll cage. So full sleeper build. Safari. Looks like it's Safari 6. Porsche. More Porsches. Tesla. Ooh. Didn't realise they did a estate version. Smoking the Bandit. Pontiac Trans Am. Pontiac Firebird. Not the blue that I do, and not the favourite one of my brother Chris, Spam Man, over in America. Gorgeous proper Mini. Although that looks interesting. That looks like that's a full EV conversion. Wow. I bet that thing's absolutely rapid. There's lots of different stuff here. Projects of the people. Peugeot 205 GTI by the look of it. Yeah, 1.9 GTI. Audi A6 Avant, I suspect. RS6. My aunt and uncle used to have one of these in a darker blue. BMW 7 Series. Onto a beautiful Volvo. The touring car versions of these were awesome. So, looks like they're nearly finishing on the stage, so they'll put the music back on and then I'll have to stop recording. XR2. key works, so that'd be a key car. Another, but this is the GT version, not the more common that people think of, the Cooper version, but the GT was a similar sort of spec but not quite. And obviously with the mini mayhem I've got going on with the racing on the track at the moment. Pontiac Firebird. ST Fiesta, Fiat 146, later BMW. Oh, and a DeLorean. So these are barn finds. What a beautiful Rover. Is it an SD1 or is it a 3500? We'll see. Vitesse. It's gorgeous. Another Austin Allegro. Jensen Interceptor. John Bonham's original one. We've also got some other Landies or ambulances that have been turned into campers. Spiker. It's not a name that everybody's familiar with. Gorgeous car. And another proper Mini. W, which has been engine swapped with a Corvette LS3 engine. It's got a full cage in it. It's an M3. Figaro. Gorgeous looking car. Old Beetle. 1500. Another Allegro. So I think it's one of Johnny's projects. All gutted inside. Taxi. Japanese taxi. Cedric. Suzuki Jimny. Not quite the bright yellow of the one over on TomleyRC, but there we go. Dodge Charger. (1968). Electric conversion. Camaro Z28. Interesting factoid. They're powering the whole of the stage this weekend, or today, off of the Leaf. So electric going the other way to power this instead of running a noisy generator. More Porsches. Old Honda Civic. Versus, look at that gorgeous blue, and everybody knows how much I love my blue. What a gorgeous blue that is. actually the latest Honda E. It's AMG Mercedes CLK 63. An older Mercedes that looks like it's bagged and dropped. Column shift. Looks like that's an electric conversion or an electric Cooper BMW. This thing has been intriguing me all day. So Citroen. It's very cool. Got the Aston Martin there. I don't know what this footage is like. Hopefully it's alright. This looks Fiat, looks like it's got a wrap on it, because don't think that matte colour, you can see the shadow, is natural. And obviously my favourite Lotuses, 390 Sport, that bright orange. Finish off back where we started, over here, and you see Phil talking about some of the vehicles and the stuff that he's got here. That's it for today on this one. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment, subscribe, drop me something down in the comments section. Don't forget to stick the notification bell on, and if you're not subscribed to TomleyRC, go over there and drop him a subscribe as well.